around and grin some more. He's the sheriff. One of the most powerful men in the United States. He's a sheriff. He's playing sheriff with his mommy right now. Well, Daddy, you want to come over here and get in the picture?
Can you pull up? Pull up.
Oh, look how strong he is.
He's like, go down. Yeah. You want to talk? You want to talk to us? He said, I'm going over. He kicked Feisty in his face.
Goodness.